hope you're all having a great day. So we officially have some super exciting news. As you guys will have seen in the beginning of the video, I've started unboxing the Yoco Neo card machine. So to all our existing as well as new customers wanting to do pre-orders on your aftermarket car parts and accessories, or if you'd even like to purchase some of the stuff that we do have in stock, like these super stunning mag wheels, then you guys will be happy to know that we are now taking cards. So maybe I should have first gone through the instruction manual before trying to switch on the machine. What do you guys think? Anyway, so it's still trying to connect to a network, so until that is done, I will just let it keep doing its thing, and I will check back with you guys once I start with the configuration process. So while the machine is still trying to connect, I'll just go through the remainder of the packaging. So from what I've seen online, they give you some stickers or decals, whatever you want to call it, which will go onto your shop or storefront window to show potential customers that you are accepting card payments. Let's see, so yeah, those will be your stickers. Not that I have a shop front just yet, but I'm sure I'll find somewhere to put at least one of these up, so that when I do have the actual showroom up and running, then customers who do walk in will be able to see that I do have card facilities as well. And then we've got the quick start guide, which is what I probably should have gone through. And this looks like a table talker. Pretty cool. Okay, so I see the machine is finally logging in. So yeah, we are one step closer. Yo guys, so it's the next day, and as you will have seen at the beginning of the cinematic scene, I have just activated the Yoco card machine. So yeah, as I mentioned last night, I should have actually gone through the instruction manual first, but you know how us guys are. Take things out the box, start assembling and start using without reading any instructions. So yeah, I thought that the machine would just connect once you power it up, but it didn't do that. So this afternoon I actually just decided to go onto the website and follow the get started link, and as you will have seen, I've successfully been able to register the machine. So now I just need to power it on, activate it with the password that was sent to my phone, and then we should be good to go. So let me just get cracking with that. So I've officially been able to set up the Yoco machine. Thank you guys for watching and making it to the end of another video. If you enjoyed the content, then please do consider giving this video a like, as well as subscribing to the channel. I will also be leaving the social media handles in the description below for anybody who is interested in either contacting us for some pre-orders or purchasing any of the existing items that we do have in stock. Also know that we will be getting in some new inventory over the next couple of weeks, which will be posted up onto those various social media platforms. So do check that out, guys. I think I'm going to be ending the video here now, guys. So until the next one, remember, your world, your rules, stay motivated. Cheers.